When it comes to today's tow vehicles, especially diesel, it's really important to have a good quality oil. With today's emission system, the oil gets dirtied up from all the soot very fast. And so having an oil that can withstand that and do its job through that is really important. And that's why I choose Schaeffer's Durability Advantage 1540, because this oil holds up almost twice as long as the competitive market within its field. And so one thing that Schaeffer has always done and used is their Micron Moly. Now this is what makes the oil slippery and makes the oil do its job a lot more and a lot longer than the competitors. And so it's really important when you go on those 6 to say 8, 10, 12-hour road trips pulling a boat behind, especially in the summer, that it's going to do its job and maintain the lubricity that it's supposed to. But at the end of the day, let's face it, we might push our oil change a little bit longer than we should because we just run out of time or don't have the time and get busy. So just knowing that your oil is holding up as long as it should, and if not a little bit longer, is really important. But at the end of the day, you still want to follow your manufacturer's oil change intervals the best you can. And so this is why I've chose Schaeffer's for quite a while, because let's face it, they've been in the racing industry for a long time and there's a reason for it.